how to turn off autocomplete feature in Google account and Google Chrome. The settings have changed. Autocomplete option is now called predictive suggestions. So I'll show you how to manage them in this video session. Simply visit google.com, press on settings, you'll see the settings, press on search settings. If you want to control the suggestions, which are autocomplete, you need to now toggle off personalized search, because Google keeps the data from your activity and personalizes your interaction with Google products. Then what you can do is, let's take a look at Google Chrome because that's used a lot. You have privacy and security. You can select time range, browsing history. At minimum, you want to perhaps delete that. And here we have autofill form data, and that is related to suggestions. Perhaps you want to delete that from Google Chrome. Then the latest settings in Google, you need to visit your Google account, press on data and privacy, and here you have my activity. Press on that. You can, let's say, web and app activity. You can turn that off in one step, or you can turn it off and delete previous activity as well. So that is how you turn off the activity keeping. As you can see, there are sub-settings here. If yours is checked, include Chrome history and activity. So if that is checked as well, perhaps you want to, either control auto deletion, that's an option, or you can press on manage all web and app activity, saving activity. In my example, it's saving. You can turn that off. You now know how to do that. Or you can press on delete all time, select the Google product. In this example, if you've used Assistant, Chrome and other products, press next, confirm what you'd like to delete, and press delete. That will clear all activity so that suggestions will start anew. While here, what you want to do is press on the menu option, press on other activity. On this page, at minimum, you want to look at Chrome history. Press on view history. Now, this Chrome history is tied to your Google account. You can delete all Chrome history from your Google account because suggestions are tied to your Google account if you're using Chrome. So previous option was related to all different Google products that also included Chrome history. But since Chrome is popular, you may want to perhaps delete or set things to auto delete, because all of these settings that I've just shown to you is related to suggestions. So this is how you clear it and turn it off or auto delete. For more tutorials related to Google account management, definitely check out Ranker YouTube channel.